Welcome to Home of Math. Today we are going to start episode 5, exercise 5, solving word problems on linear equation. This is Home of Math. Already we have completed 33 maths by episode 4, and this is the last episode of this chapter. So please keep conscious. It's a very important math in our practical life. Usually word problems means real life problem. So let's start. 34. The length of a rectangular flower garden is 2 meter more than its breadth. So we can draw a garden. This is a rectangular. Here mention the length is 2 meter more than breadth. So let's consider this is breadth and 2 meter more means x plus 2. Okay, so this is x and this is x plus 2. Our first question, number A. If the breadth of the garden is x meter, find its parameter in terms of x. So we can write x is an undefined number, so we can say let garden breadth is x, okay, and garden length is x plus 2, which is already defined in quotient 2 meter more than its breadth. So breadth is x and length is x plus 2. We know the parameter of rectangular. The parameter of garden, or we can say rectangular garden, equals to 2 times length plus breadth. Okay, so this is 2, length is x plus 2 plus breadth is x. So here is 2, x plus x is a 2x plus 2, right? So we can say this one is 4x plus 4. We can take common 4. So this is x plus 1. And this is the perimeter of rectangular garden. And this is our answer of number A. So this is 4 times x plus 1. Question B. If the perimeter of the garden is 36 meter, what is the breadth? So this is very simple. Number B. From A we get what we get? Garden perimeter equals to 4 times x plus 1. So we can say according to the problem, according to the problem 4 times x plus 1 equals to 36. Here is mentioned if the perimeter of the garden is 36 meter. So 4 times x plus 1 is a perimeter of garden. So we can divide both sides by 4. So 4x plus 1 divide 4, and here is 36 divide 4. We can write divide both sides by 4. So 4 and 4 out, here is x plus 1, and 36 by 4 is a 9. So here is 9. Now we subtract both sides by 1. So x plus 1 minus 1 equals to 9 minus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 out, x equals to 9 minus 1 is a 8, right? So we can say here is mentioned what? If the perimeter of the garden is 36 meter, what is the breadth? So breadth is, breadth is what? 8 meter. Okay, so very simple, done. Now we will start number C. Number C, it cost 320 taka to clean the garden. What will be the cost to clean per square meter? Look, here is two things. First, whole garden need to clean 320 taka, and here is mentioned per square meter. Per square meter, it means square is a unit of area. Therefore we have to find out first area. So from B we get x equals to what? We already get x equal to 8 meter. Now so length is a x plus 2 because 2 meter more than breadth. So x plus 2 equals to what? 8 plus 2 meter. It means 10 meter. And here we can say here breadth, right? From B we get breadth x equals to 8 meter. Okay. Now we have to find out the square meter. It means area. We know rectangular. So here is rectangular flower garden. Rectangular area equals to length times breadth. Okay, length is a x times length is x plus 2, right? And breadth is x. X plus 2 already we get 10 and breadth is a 8. So 8t square, here is a square meter. Square meter. In short form we write this one. And here mentioned it costs 300 taka to clean the garden. So total garden is, so total garden is 80 square meter, right? Square meter. So 320 taka, or we can say 80 square meter need to clean 320 taka. Okay, so 1 meter square need to clean 320 divided 80 taka. Therefore we can say 0 and 0 out, so 32 divided 8 is a 4. So here is 4 taka. So our question is what will be the cost to clean per square meter? So per square meter need, so per square meter need to clean 4 taka. Answer is what? 4 taka. So this video we are trying to find out perimeter, square, length, breadth, lots of things. So this is very important math for examination. I hope you will find the answer very smoothly. If you face these kinds of question in the examination hall, don't worry about this. Okay, so no need to worry. So our 34 done. Now we will start our last math, 35. Question 35. This question also very important. Question is, the sum of 3 consecutive natural numbers is 24. Look, the sum of 3 consecutive number, but we don't know what number. Consecutive number can be 1, 2, 3, can be 4, 5, 6, can be 7, 8, 9, but the sum should be what? 24. So number A, if the smallest number is x, write down the other 2 number in terms of x. So look, here smallest number is x. So next 2 numbers are. So we have to write down the other 2 numbers in terms of x. So we can say next number will be x plus 1 and after next number will be x plus 2. Okay, so it's a very simple. This is our question A. So this is x plus 1 and then x plus 2. So our first question done. Now number B, from the given facts determine the 3 numbers. Now we have to find out the numbers. So as per questions, as per question, the sum of 3 consecutive natural number is 24. So we have to sum up like x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals to what? 24. Now look, x, this is a 3x and 1 plus 2 is a 3 and here is 24. Now we can subtract 3 from both sides. So 3x plus 3 minus 3 equals to 24 minus 3. So we can write subtract 3 from both sides. Okay, now plus 3 and minus 3 out. So we can write 3x equals to 24 minus 3 is a 21. Now we can divide both sides by 3. So 3x by 3 equals to 21 by 3. Again a sub note, we can write divide both sides by what? 3. Okay, now so 3 and 3 divide 3 is a 1. So 1x means x and 21 divide 3 is a 7. So 7. So x equals to 7 and this is a smallest number. So smallest number x equals to 7. Next two numbers, right? Numbers are x plus 1 equals to 7 plus 1 equals to 8, and x plus 2 equals to 7 plus 2 is a 9. So look, 7, 8, 9. Now let's check 7 plus 8 plus 9. 7 plus 8 is a what? 15, and 15 plus 9 is a 24. So our numbers are absolutely right. So here from the given facts, determine the three numbers. Numbers are 7, 8, 9. So number B done. Now number C. We have to understand something in here. Look, twice a given y is more than the sum of the obtained smallest and greatest number. Determine the value of y. Look, here is smallest number, which is 7, and greatest number, which is 9. Once we sum up and again we sum up 4 more, is equals to twice a number y. Okay, so we can write in here like this. Number C, smallest number equals to x equals to 7, and greatest number x plus 2 equals to 7 plus 2 equals to 9. So as per question, twice y, right? Twice a number y. So twice y equals to smallest number plus greatest number plus 4 is equals to 2y. So 2y equals to 7 plus 9 is a 16. 16 plus 4 is a 20. Okay. Now we can divide both sides by what? 2. So 2y divide 2 equals to 20 divide 2. So 2 and 2 we can out. So y equals to 10. 20 divide 2 is a 10. So our answer is 10. Okay, this is very simple. So y equals to 20, and this is our answer. So finally this is 10, right? 10. So no more today. Our every question already solved by episode 5. So episode 1 to 5 we already completed 1 to 35 maths. So if you know all the math, you can learn lots of things. It's which is very important for examination, practical life, and any kinds of thing. So please subscribe my channel if you think this channel is helping you, and also share with your friends. Thank you.